Welcome to you all. Today's topic is significant figure. What is the definition of significant figure? In a measurement, the number which are reliable, known, plus first digit which is uncertain. Yeah, okay? That means in a measurement, the number which are reliable, known plus first digit which is uncertain. For calculation of significant figures, at first we use some terms. What are the terms? First, leading zeros. Number two, trailing zeros. Number three, in between zeros. Number four, non-zero digit. Okay? Leading zeros, trailing zeros, in between zeros, non-zero digit. For calculation of significant figure, first we know these four things. Now, calculate the significant figure by use some formulas. What are the formulas used for this? Given examples. What is the example for this? 0.00850,300. Okay? 0.00850,300. Clear? These three zeros are leading zeros. These two are trailing zeros. This is your in between zeros, in between zero, and these three are non-zero digit. Okay? So, we can find out the significant figure. Leading zero is not used as significant figure. For trailing zero, in case of decimal number, trailing zero is used as significant figure. In decimal, it is used. For non-decimal, they are not used as significant figure. Okay. So, for this example, what is the significant for figure? These three, 0.00, leading 0, this is not significant figure. Trailing 0 is 2. In between 0 is also used as significant figure. 853, non-zero. So, here the significant figure is 6. 850300. So, significant figure is 6. Okay. So, another examples. So, another examples are 0.0030, 0.1203, 5.00005, 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, 2 into 10 to the power 3, 601, like this. So, what is the significant figure? We can find out 0.0030. So, these three are leading zeros, but this is your trailing zeros. It is a decimal number. So, significant figure is 2, 3 and 0. So, 0.1203, in this case significant figure is 4. This is leading 0, not used as significant figure. 5.00005. So, 5 point, there is no leading zeros and not also trailing 0, only in between zeros. So, what is the significant figure? Now, only 5,5,0,0,0,0 all are. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 601 is a non-decimal number. Significant figure is 3. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So, that means 2 by 1000. That means 0.002. So, 0.002. So, these three are leading zeros. So, significant figure is your only 1. Okay. 2 into 10 to the power 3. 2 into 10 to the power 3 means 2000. It is a non-decimal number. So, 000, these three are trailing zeros, not used as significant figure. So, what is significant figures? 2, that means only 1 significant figure. Okay. So, these are the some examples for significant figure. Another examples are also there. $20.0000 20000. In first case 20.0000. So, what is the significance for that? A decimal point. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the significant figure. Then in second case 2000000. These 5 zeros are trailing zeros. These trailing zeros are not used as significant figure, as it is a non-decimal number. So, significant figure is 1. Okay? In second case, in another cases 0.000, 0.0, 0, 0.0000. In these examples, you can find out the significant figure. So 0.000, in this case, significant figure is only 1. Why? Value is 0, so significant figure is 1. That means answer is 0. So 0 means significant figure is 1. In this case also 1, in this case also 1, in this case also 1. So in all cases we can find what are the calculation for significant figure. Next. Now addition and subtraction rule. Addition oblique subtraction rule, considering significant figure. Considering significant figure. Addition means, suppose one example, 1 plus 1.1 plus your 2.900 minus 3.0 plus 0.37. For this case, first we compute normally, means 1 plus 1.1 plus 2.900, 0.37 minus 3 means 0, 7, 91331, that is 5 minus 3.0, that is 2.37. General compute, general addition subtraction, that is equal to 2.37. In first term 1, in first term 1, that is 0 decimal place, it is act as 0 decimal place. Here 1 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, in this case 3 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, here 2 decimal place. So in this case, at last we select only, round off only minimum decimal place. Minimum is 0. 0, this is the minimum decimal place. So that means 2.37 is round off. Round off minimum decimal place. So minimum means 0. So that means answer is only 2. This is the answer. Okay. Another case. For example, 2.1 plus, suppose 4.1. In this case, 2.1 plus 4.1, here 1 decimal place, here also 1 decimal place. Normal addition is 6.2. 6.2. So it is also 1 decimal place. So after round off to minimum decimal place, answer is simply 1 decimal means 6.2. Okay. Now for another example, three plus 0.33. 3 plus 0.33. In this case, this is 0 decimal place. Here 2 decimal place. So normal answer is 3.33. Round off into minimum decimal place. Which is the answer? 0. 0 decimal place means only answer is 3. Okay. This is for addition and subtraction. So for addition subtraction we use the decimal place. Now multiplication and division. Considering significant figure. For example, 2 into 3.21. In this case also, first compute normally. Answer is 2, 4, 6, 6.42. Okay. So in this case we use significant figure. For first, what is the significant figure? Is 1. In this case, significant figure is 3. Then round off to minimum significant figure. Minimum significant figure. So here, what is the significant figure? Significant figure is 3. So round up into significant figure, minimum is 1. So answer is 6. Answer is 6. Okay. Another example. 2 into 6. Very important. 2 into 6. Normally, that is equal to 12. That is equal to 12. Okay. In 2, significant figure is 1. In 6, significant figure is also 1. In case of 12, significant figure is 2. Round off into minimum significant figure, that is 1. That is significant figure is 1. So in this case, the number 12 is in between 10 and 20. In case of 10, significant figure is 1. In case of 20, significant figure is also 1. But 12 is nearer to 10. So answer is 10. So 10, the significant figure is 1. Okay. Another example. (1.6) into 1.6 is equal to, if we multiply normally, answer is 2.56. Answer is 2.56. Okay. So significant figure of this is 2. In this case also 2. But in this case, significant figure is 3. Round off up to minimum significant figure. Means 2, that is implies 2. But answer is not 2.5. Answer is 2.6. 256. So that means 2.6. Okay. Another example for division. 4.2 by 4.2 by or 4.2 division of 2.1. Okay. So 4.2 for the significant figure of 4.2, that is significant figure is 2. 2.1, that is also 2. Normal answer is 2.0. So 2.0 means significant figure is also 2. Why? 0.0. In this case, 0 is the trailing zeros. So significant figure is 2. Round off up to minimum significant figure, that is also 2. So answer is also 2.0. This is the answer. Okay. So these are some examples for calculation of significant figure or addition, subtraction by the help of significant figure, multiplication, division also by the help of significant figure. Okay. That's all. Thank you.